Hello students, I welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. In this video, we'll learn how is mathematics used in cryptography. So we'll learn about what is cryptography and how mathematics is used in it. Now what is cryptography? Cryptography is a type of mathematics specifically used for secrets. Cryptography is used in many applications like banking transaction cards, computer passwords, army information code, and e-commerce transaction. You can use it to hide your passwords, to hide your ATM numbers and email passwords. You want to know my house number. For example, you want to know my house number, and in front of all, I will not say you. I don't want to disclose it in front of others. Then I'll say you a code. I'll share you a secret code. You will get the number yourself if you know the mathematics. This is a small example of cryptography, how we use mathematics. Let's begin. You want to know my house number, isn't it? So this is the secret. My house number is A. The secret is hidden in the following operations. You can use any of the operation plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But A and A operated, we are getting A. Can you get my house number? You can pause the video, you can find the answer, you can go for the second one. So we will go, there will be 6 secrets, and after the whole questions, secrets will reveal the secret. Secret 2, my house number is AB. The secret is hidden in the following, but the clue is the number is greater than 50. It is AB, and when it is multiplied by 6, I get BBB. Can you get my house number? You can pause the video, you can find it, you can check the answer. You have to wait for some time to get the answer if you cannot find. Secret 3, my house number is ABH. The secret is hidden in the following operations. It is BA multiplies by 7, we get HAA. Can you get my house number? So try. Next I'm going for secret 4. You want to know my ATM number? Again I'll give some code and you have to find it. Let me share the code. Let us see whether you find yourself or not. The secret 4 is my ATM number is ABCD. The secret lies in the following. ABC multiplies by C, you are getting DBC. Can you get my ATM number? Now my ATM number is ABCD. The secret lies in the following. ABCD multiplies 9 is DCBA. Just then see the letters are changed, numbers are changed. Can you get it? So pause the video, try to do it. It is very interesting and very challenging also. If you think yourself very good in mathematics, you must try it and find the answer yourself. And if it's not possible, I am there for you. At last we'll say the answer. What is my computer password? That is also can be a cryptography. I am saying some codes, you will say me the answer. My computer password is 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. The secret lies in the following: 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. If you add them, you are getting 54A4. See it again: 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. If you add 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 4 digit and 4 digit, you are getting 54A4. Here only one letter is there, so it is easy to find out. Can you get my computer password? So this is a channel, don't fear, I am here. This channel is for all the students who loves learning mathematics. Thank you to all the subscriber of the channel who supported it and helped it to grow day by day. I hope in between you are trying for these secrets, and within a short time we are revealing it. Yes, time is there, we'll reveal it. So revealing the secrets. Secret 1. Answer of secret 1. My house number is A. The secret is hidden in this following. I am repeating the secret again. It will be A. What operation you will put and what will the answer. I hope you have got this answer. This is very easy because I started from the foundation only. So yes, you are correct. It is 1. 1 multiplies 1 is 1. So the answer is 1. So my house number is 1. Next is answer of secret 2. The house number is AB. The secret is hidden in the following. AB multiplied by 6 is BBB. Have you got it? Now BBB is a multiple of 37. If it will be repeated same 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 so on, it will be multiple of 37. So what I'll write? I'll try first with 37. 37. I'll multiply with 37. So 37 multiplies 6. How much are you getting? 2 2 2. So what is A? A is 3. What is B? B is 7. But no. Why? Clue is that number is greater than 50. So 37 is not the answer. You have to think of again. So next we'll find multiple of 37. How much it is? It is 74. So let us try for 74. So 74 multiplied 6 is 444. Now it fits. So 74, 7 is A and 4 is B. So the answer is 74. Isn't it interesting? 74 is the answer. Next is my house number is ABH. The secret is hidden in the following. BA multiply 7 is HAA. So first you note that unit place digit of first BA is same as your unit place digit A here. So you will think of 717, not the same. 7 2s are 14, not the 7 3s are 21, not 7. You will get only 7 5s are 5. So A may be 5 or it is 5. So A is equal to 5. So we'll replace A with 5. So I'll replace A with 5 and 7 5s are 35, that means, and 3 is carry. Now again in the result there is another A. I'll replace it by 5. So it will be 5. Next we have to think of what should be B, so that after multiplying with 7 and this carry 3 will be added, it will end in 5. So you have to think of, or you have to recall the multiplication table of 7, so that what should be multiplied with 7 and 3 added, that will be end in 5. So it will be B, because 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45, which ends in 5. So the value of B is 6. So now it is easy to replace H. 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. So H must be 4. H is 4. So what is ABH? A is 5, B is 6 and H is 4. What is my house number? 5 6 4. Answer 4. My ATM number is ABCD. The secret lies in following. ABC multiply C is equal to DBC. Can you get my ATM number? What to be multiplied with same number, you will get same number. That means C into C is C. Now first, it will be 1. Anybody can think that 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, but 1 is not the answer. Can you get why? Because when I'll multiply 3-digit number with 1, I'll get same number, but it is DBC. So ABC multiplies by 1 should be ABC, but it is DBC. So 1 is not possible. Think anything else. Then it will be 5. 5 5s are 25 and in 5. So this is the reason C cannot be 1, because ABC into 1 is ABC, not DBC. So what should be? It will be either 5 5s are 25 ends in 5, or 6 6 are 36 which ends in 6. So we'll try for 5. So let me put 5 5 5. So 5 5 25 carries 2. Next think of B. What should be multiplied with 5 and the result will be added to 2, so that the end digit will be same as the number multiplied with 5. It will be 7, because 5 multiplied 7, 35 plus 2 is 37. You could try for all the numbers. You can try for 1 2 3 4, and at 7 I am getting 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37. So what is the value of B? B is 7. So now replacing 7 7, B is 7, and this product B is also 7. Now coming to A and D. So here when I multiply 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37, it carries 2. Now think of what should be A and what should be D. A can be only 1, because if it will be 2, it will be multiplication will be 4-digit number. So A can be only 1. If I multiply 2, 5 2s are 10, so it will be result will be a 4-digit number. But here it is a 3-digit number, so it will be only 1. A is 1. So replace 1. Now what is D? 5 1s are 5 plus carry 3, so it will be 8. The value of D is 8. So it will be 875. We got it, but I have to write the answer in A, B, C, D. A is 1, B is 7, C is 5, and D is 8. The answer is 1758. 1758. Next is answer of secret 5. ATM number is ABCD again, but the secret is this. ABCD multiplied by 9, we are getting DCBA. Changed. So A is equal to 1. Can you get why? Because if it will be 2 or more than 2, then we will get a 5-digit number. As it is same 4-digit number, that means A is 1. 1000 place will be 1 only. So I can replace 1. 1, 1. Now think of what should be multiplied with 9 so that I'll get the end digit 1. It is only 1, that is 9. 9 9s are 81. So I'll get D is equal to 9. 9 9s are 81 and 1 plus digit is 1. So replace D by 9. So there are two places I can replace. So it will be 9 9. Next coming to C and B. This is slightly tricky. Can you think of? Are you able to do? So here 9 9s are 81 and we have put 1, so we have carried already 8. Now you have to think of what should be multiplied with 9. So and 8 will be added so that I'll get a number which is equal to B, and it will be B will be very small, then only you will get your product is equal to 9000 something. Otherwise it will be again 9 plus 1 10, 5-digit number. So B must be your 0. So B must be 0 and C must be 8, so that 9 8s are 72 plus 8 is 80. So the answer will be C is 8, B is 0. So what is ABCD? ABCD is 1089. So this is the answer. Now last. Answer of secret 6. My computer password is 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. The secret lies in following: 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. When they are added, you are getting 54A4. Can you get my password? Now A can be 2 or A can be 7. Because 2 plus 2 is 4. Again 7 plus 7 is also 14. It ends in 4. So let us put at A is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. But one problem creates here. In the second column, you won't get 4 plus 2 is same as 2. A cannot be 2 because second column 2 plus 4 is not equal to 2 again. So what we have to put? We have to put 7. So replace all 7 in place of A. So what will become? 1 7 2 7 3 7 4 7. Now edit whether you are getting 5 4 7 4. Yes, we are getting. So the answer is correct. Then what is the value of A? The value of A is 7. So the answer is 17273747. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can learn more and more this type of stuff. Thank you for watching the whole video.